Brownfield Commodity Market reporter John Perkins, the opening market minute for Monday, August 11th. Soybeans, corn, and wheat are all higher in the early going. A lot of this is just position squaring out of the USDA supply, demand, and production numbers, which are out tomorrow at noon Eastern, 11 a.m. Central. For corn and soybeans, the trade's definitely keeping an eye on some potential for some flood damage after heavy weekend rainfall in portions of the Midwest and Plains. That included as much as 8 inches of rain in parts of Wisconsin. Probably won't know just how much damage, if any, was done for at least a couple of weeks, though. And for now, the trade definitely does seem to have some pretty big yields dialed in on both corn and soybeans. As for wheat, Chicago and Kansas City are watching the tail end of this year's U.S. winter wheat harvest. Minneapolis has an eye on early spring wheat harvest activity here in the States and forecasts for potentially more rainfall in parts of the Canadian prairies, which do need it. Live and feeder cattle are higher, watching the distribution of this week's direct cash cattle show list. Probably won't see any bids or asking prices really start to surface until at least Wednesday or so, but at least there is some optimism to start off this week. And hogs are mixed, adjusting spreads with a lot of questions about demand, both on the domestic and the export side of things. Domestic demand's been mostly higher as of late, but we have seen some dips in some recent weeks. And as for export demand, China continues to be a big question mark, not only for pork, but also for soybeans. The opening market minute, I'm Brownfield Commodity Market reporter John Perkins. Stay tuned for this afternoon's update.